Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Bar 2.0 all-in-one AIO soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this soundbar not connecting to the network or not syncing or pairing with your phone or with your device or with the television or whatever it's supposed to be connecting to, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is for any variety of reasons where you just need to wipe everything off of this soundbar so it will be back to the way it was when it came out of the box with its factory defaults, like maybe you're moving or setting up a new network or something like that. This will work. So all we need to do for this is we just need to go ahead and make sure it's turned on, and then once it's turned on, we're just going to come and press the power button and the source button simultaneously for more than 10 seconds. And after those 10 seconds or so are up, the soundbar will automatically turn off and then turn back on into its factory default state, at which point you can just set it up basically like it's a new soundbar.